So Dave, where are we now?
Today we're at a high-end dealership. We're here fixing one of their Mercedes that they have. It's been damaged on the hood.
Show us the dent.
I'll show you the dent. Okay. This is
Oh
the
yeah,
dent here.
there we go.
Yeah, goes right across this body line. So
yes, we can see that.
yeah. So watch. I'll push it out.
There's Dave again, very carefully removing this dent from this beautiful vehicle. So now Dave's putting the final touches on this removal of the dent in this beautiful vehicle. Very carefully, expertly removing the dent.
There. Back to its original position, 100% repaired, same factory paint.
Great job, Dave.
Thanks, Mick.
What a magnificent vehicle. Dent removed. So Dave, we've got another dent here.
We've got another dent. We've noticed a dent on the fender, so we're going to fix it. We have to get to the back side of the metal, so we have pulled the liner away from the fender, and I've put a tool inside the fender here. This is going to take us to this dent here. So we're going to shape it and get it out also while we're here.
Alright, let's check out the dent. There it is, we can see it now, zooming in on the dent. Small dent, but important for a beautiful car like this.
Well, it's because it's by the body line, Mick, it really shows up quite a bit.
Yeah, well, we can see it for sure.
Yeah, so I'm going to put my light on it so I can see how I'm shaping it, and we'll get rid of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dave working on the dent. His tool from inside.
So yeah, so the 3M's done, the laser jammer's done.
Okay, there you go, Mick. The dent's removed. It's right there, 100%.
Beautiful job. Dent removed. Beautiful vehicle, 2 dents removed perfectly. Great job, Dave.
Thanks, Mick.